Fuck you! What the hell was that? You're real good at mall.
I'm real good at mall. Okay, Chief.
Oh my god. Big ass cross, big ass head, hill. Great for sledding. Dude. Why are we stopping in the road? No! What is this shit? Oh my god. Fuck's sake, God. Lock the video.
Video protected.
I have to like scroll, but look, I go for maximum laziness. Having to move for different sheets to find the newest sheet right on. No thanks. That sounds awful. Speaking of sounding awful, how's things in your guys' lives?
Good. Our lives sound awful.
That's where we are. You can read into it however you'd like, but Mark, thank you for saying good. That's the response you're supposed to give when someone pretends to.
Little truck, I love it. What are you doing? Oh my god. What are you doing, buddy?
Somebody outside of here do something that would indeed be classified as nutty.
We should be able to talk about it.
I'm not talking about me creating a narrative off of something positive. We did.
No.
If
I go outside, that's not what I meant neither.
If I'm gonna leave here and bug out.
Get him!
And then I come
Get
back,
him!
I'm supposed to act like business as usual.
Get him!
Y'all like, yo,
Like
no.
my I did not expect to come back.
Got
That
him!
did not be mentioned.
By talking more about AI, I'm sure we can plummet those rankings. Did you say AI? That'll do it. It is funny because I really truly think that there was a big misunderstanding because people did see podcasts when they were reposted to
Okay, you just driving wherever the fuck? Not even remotely a lane, lady. Where are you going? Okay. I mean, you're 100, but still. Dude, I will never forget that, like, see, the whiplash going that way is one way, but going the other way is so much worse. What are we honking about? Yeah, dude. That was 50 shades of dumb.
Flow chilly, with jokes from heavy rappers, like Laffy Taffy silly. Look, I make the groove get down. I love it when she shake that little ghetto booty, girl. Like, hold up, touch your knees to your elbows. She like my kicks, bet you Nike don't sell those. But I bet you what you weave out the Velcro. Let your milkshake with the fries on the track.
Get there, Matt. It was clear there was an exception for fiancés, and I'm embarrassed that my family was so rude to her when I just didn't want her to be alone on Christmas. Am I the asshole? Oh my god. This is all just so much. Oh, dude.
Your goddamn turn, my friend.
Not your fucking turn.
Yeah. I feel invisible. They like, Poppy, what you came to?
What do you want me to do, bro?
Has signatures of AI, of like ChatGPT.
Really?
Yeah. Okay. Well done. I'm already stopped. Bruh. Doing? Come on, dude, what the fuck?
My body, or something that's not listed.
my thing was not listed there, should I say what it was?
If you had something specific that was not listed, yes, I would love to hear it.
I saw a wolf. I saw like a wolf with two sets of eyes.
So it's like looking straight at the camera.
Yeah.
Perspective.
Basically, yeah. There's a wolf in, I think, or a dog in One Punch Man, which I think is called literally over.
Now that I've had a second to sit with it, I was going to say not the asshole, but then I had to really think about how she was like, you're getting back on that Zoom call. That's a little overboard. Okay, so top comment. Everyone sucks here. I think the whole work-wife thing is disrespectful and silly, but you did overreact to what was obviously a joke. He's not literally going to be renewing his vows with anyone or register.
Dude, go speed the fuck up. Come on. Holy shit, dude. You can't just fucking slow down.
In 1,000 feet, turn left.
What are you doing? Yep. Pretty sure he was one of them. Yeah, I think so.
I didn't get anything because they were like not talking to us.
Okay. No turn on red arrow, but okay, dude.
I'm gonna wait.